Today, while walking, I saw an abandoned jacket on the road, left behind by its owner. The dog's owner picked up the jacket, put it on their dog, and said, "It suits you so well. Maybe this could be your new jacket." Then seeing the happiness in the dog's eyes filled with love from its owner was incredible. It once again reminded me of how loyal and loving our animal friends can be. It's truly wonderful to see how even a dog can create a joyful moment. Subscribe to my channel for more.